Hello everyone. Have you all been well?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you.
Yes, teacher.
Today we are going to make guess the number of stars project in Scratch. Before we start, I have something to inform you. First, if you have any questions during class, please leave them in the chat. After class, you have to upload the works you made during class on your website. Second, if possible, please send a project link to the WhatsApp Mango team chat room after completing the project. Today's project is guess the number of stars. This is the result today's project. Guess the number of stars, hearts, and crystals. If you get everything right, you get the final time. What?
Teacher, this is Mango team.
Pardon? Oh, okay. What we are going to learn is first create an answer code. Second, create a start code. Third, create a heart and crystal code. Fourth, create a timer. Lastly, make a define block. Then let's start. First, let's create an answer code. Click choose the sprite. Pick start, heart, and crystal. With the cast price selected, put the when green flag clicked block. Then drag ask what's your name and wait block. And change what's your name to how many stars are there. Put the broadcast message block under the ask how many stars are there and wait block. Then click new message and make 3 new messages: star, heart, and crystal. Change the sequence of the ask block and broadcast block. This is because you have to ask questions after the star sprite is created. Next, go to variable menu and click make a variable, and then type random number. This means the number of sprites to be randomly generated. Uncheck random number to prevent variables from being seen on the screen. Put the equal block and add the random number block and the answer block to it to make a random number equal answer block. Put the if-else block under the ask how many stars are there and wait block, and then put the random number equal answer block into the if-else block. Drag 2 blocks of say hello for 2 seconds block and change the text hello to right and wrong. And then drag stop all block under the say wrong block. This means that if you type in the wrong answer, the game will stop. Duplicate previously created blocks of code to create heart and crystal. Then change the message and questions. Next, we are going to create a star code. Before coding, click Star Sprite. Drag the when I receive star block and drag the set random number to 0 block under it. Next, drag the pick random 1 to 10 block inside the set random number to 0 block. Put the repeat 10 block and replace 10 to random number block from variables. Drag create clone of myself block under repeat block. This code means randomly selecting one of the numbers from 1 to 10 and replicating yourself as many times as the number. Next, drag when green flag click block and drag when I start as a clone block. Put the hide block under when green flag click block and put the show block under when I start as a clone block. Next, put the set X to block and set Y to block under the show block. Show pick random 1 to 10 block from operators and change the number 1 to -100 and 10 to 100. Duplicate them and drag them to set X2 and set Y2 blocks. And then put the go to front layer block under the show block, like this. Y, X, and Y are -100 to 100 because the catch position X and Y are 0. This code is used to create a star only at a distance of 100 up, down, left, and right based on the cat. And we use go to front layer block to make stars in front of cats, like this. Next, let's make a heart and crystal code block. Drag 3 code to heart and crystal sprite. Click heart sprite. Change the when I receive star to heart. Drag set size to 100% overhide block and change 100 to 30. Next, click crystal sprite. And change the when I receive star to crystal. This is the middle result. And next, let's make a timer. Before coding, click Cast Sprite and click Make a Variable. Hide the time. Drag hide variable block under the when green flag click block and change it to time.
Madam,
Yes.
You were not taking attendance.
Can you say one more time?
Attendance are not taken.
No taking.
Attendance, ma'am.
Can you chat? Can you chat in Zoom?
Okay, ma'am, I'll chat.
Okay. 음,
네, 안녕하세요.
한 학생 질문을 말을
네.
했는데 뭐라고 하는지
네.
잘 모르겠어서.
오케이. Could you repeat the question? I'm not
Ma'am,
sure. Okay.
you have taken attendance this class?
Attendance.
Yes, teacher, because I joined 5 minutes late, that is why I'm asking.
Okay, it's okay. I will check
Okay,
that
ma'am.
you attend. Okay, thank you. 네,
Okay.
진행하셔도 될 것 같습니다.
Okay. Drag show variable block under the if else block and change it to time. Drag set to 0 block the show variable time block and change it to time. Drag timer into the set time to block. After you get all the questions right, you can check the time it took. Finally, let's make a define block. Click Make a block. Type comparison of answers. These three codes are exactly the same. We will organize complex codes easily. Drag the same code to the inside, like this. Delete to block. And drag it under this block. Drag comparison of answers and put code together. We are done. This is the result of today's project. Guess the number of stars. And let's make together. Create a new project. And change project name. Guess the number of stars. Click Choose a sprite button. Pick Star. And pick Heart. And pick Restart. Do you understand? Guys?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Click Cast Sprite. Put the when green flag click block. Then drag ask what's your name and wait block. And change how many stars are there. Put the broadcast block under ask block. Then click new message and enter start. Change the sequence of ask block and broadcast block. Next, go to variables menu and click a variable. Type random number. And uncheck random number. If you uncheck this, random number will be disappeared. Like this. Drag equal block and put the random number block and add answer block. Put the if then else block under the ask block, and then put the random number equal answer block in it. Drag to say hello block and change right and wrong. And then drag stop or block under the say wrong block. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you.
Teacher.
Duplicate these code blocks twice. Duplicate and one more duplicate. Like this. Then change the message. Click start and click new message and type heart. Change the text stars to heart. Click heart and click new message. Type crystals and change text heart to crystal. Next, we are going to create a star code. Click star sprite, drag. When I receive button, block and change star. And drag the set to 0 block under it and change my variable to random number. Next, drag the pick random 1 to 10 block inside the set random number 2 block. Put the repeat 10 and replace 10 to random number. Drag create clone of myself under repeat block. Next, drag when green flag, click block and drag when I start as a clone block. Put the hide block under when green flag, click block. And put the show block under when I start as a clone block. Next, set X to block and Y to block under the show block. Choose pick random 1 to 10 block and change the number 1 to minus 100 and 10 to 100. Duplicate them and drag them to set X to and set Y to block. And then go to and then put the go to front layer block under show block. Understand? Guys, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I have a question. I'm sorry. What happens if we put another number instead of 10? What number should I type in? Leave any number in the chat. What number should I type in?
Please 10.
Another number, not 10.
15.
50?
10.
10? If I enter 16 and let's check. Start will appear up to 16. 101. Okay. I will enter this number and play. Let's play. First, will appear up to 100 once. Are you following well? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, let's make a heart and crystal code. Drag 3 code blocks to heart. Drag to heart and drag to crystal sprite. Click heart sprite. Change the when I receive star to heart. Drag set size to 100% block over height block. And change 100 to 30. This is heart size. And click crystal sprite. And change when I receive star to crystal. This is the middle result. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And next, let's make a timer. Click cast sprite and click make a variable. Type the time. Drag hide variable block under the when green flag click block and change it to time. Drag show variable block under the if else block and change it to time. Drag set to 0 block over the show variable time block and change it to time. Which block should we put in the set time to block? Number 1, answer block. Number 2, loudness block. Number 3, timer block. Which block should we put in
Timer
here?
block.
Timer block? This?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, you're right. Great. Drag timer into the set time to block. And let's check together. One star is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Is this right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I will one more time. One more, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait.
Let's guess it with children. 아이들이랑 같이 게임
네.
해보면 좋을 것 같아요.
네, 근데 잠깐만요. 뭔가 이상한 것 같아서.
아, 코딩이 약간 잘못된 것 같아요?
제가 숫자를 잘 못 세나 봐요. 어,
저도 한번 해볼게요.
네. 이러면 안 되는데.
I think we have some problem in this code. Anyone can find the error? Let's find it together. 하트는 그 목숨이에요?
하트요? 아니요,
네.
이것도 다음 단계 퀴즈.
아, could you repeat, please? 이거 예제 코드 그대로 하신 거 맞죠?
네,
어,
뭔가 이상한가 봐요.
뭐가 잘못됐을까요?
그러게요. 아, 복사가 2개가 됐네요.
아, okay. Okay, we found the error. It was because we copy and paste
아,
this first code twice. So that's why we had
and
wrong answers.
해도 될까요?
네네, 해주세요.
네네.
Okay, let's count stars all together. How many?
How many
How many
stars?
stars?
7.
7.
Okay, let's try 7. Oh, right. Oh, and then start with hearts.
10.
10.
10. Oh, good job. Crystals.
2.
2.
Oh,
Wow, all correct. Well done. 33 seconds.
yes. But you get a wrong answer. The game is over. Finally, let's make a define block. Click cast price and click make a block. Type comparison of answer. These codes are exactly the same. We will organize complex code easily. Drag the same code to inside. and delete these two code blocks and drag this block and put code together.
Teacher, could you wait for 1 second?
Wait for a second. Why? I will keep going.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And we are done. This is the result of today's project. That's the number of stars. That's the number of stars, hearts, and crystals. If you get everything right, you get the final time. Make your own project. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Wait a moment. This is today's assignment. Make your own project. Guess the number of stars. Make at least one quiz. Stars or hearts or crystal, or you want. Deadline is November 7th, 6 p.m. Capture the screen and send it to Mango Team WhatsApp. Lastly, I remind you, first, if you have any questions during class, please leave them in the chat. Second, after class, you have to upload the work you made during class on your website. Third, if possible, please send the project link to the WhatsApp Mango Team chat room after completing the project. Today, we have an important info. On Thursday, December 7th, there will be an award ceremony, demo of winning apps, and sharing of impressions. Please upload the app link to WhatsApp by December 5th. The award will be presented through the screening. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Please upload your app link by December 5th. I will tell you how to share your project. First, click the project page or share button. Click share button. Then you will see a screen like this. Click copy link and you can get your project link. If you see
Teacher?
this, okay. I will repeat the steps to define block. If you see the screen when you click the share button, there is the answer. Click make a block. Type comparison of answers. These three blocks is same code. So delete two code blocks and drag these code blocks under define comparison of answer block. Then drag comparison of answers block like this. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you for following us well, even though what we've learned so far has not been easy. We hope you can make your own projects after class. Lastly, we will conduct a class satisfaction survey until the next class. I will upload the link to WhatsApp and Zoom chat. If possible, please participate. It is very simple. It has just 3 or 4 questions. Our class is done. Do you have any question?
Teacher, can you explain how to send the project once again?
We only 30 seconds, so you read these project materials. Click this share button.
Hello, guys. Did you study well?
Yes, teacher.
Oh,
Yes, teacher.
okay. Okay, thank you.